Uh, Hello, this is you have been for CA028, and this is my uh, sixth Unix and Linux lab experiment. And this time we are dealing with user-defined function. So here we had to make two application, one banking application and second library function. So here what you can see, it's my banking application. So here we have to we have to do two things: withdraw, deposit, and inquire, balance inquiry. So first we have given our options in case of switch switch option. So here first we are giving first is for here how we can call the function. It's just name of the function and the variable what you are passing. So value of that variable dollar with. So and then it will call that function. So our my function is withdraw. So by giving this variable, I am taking this means I'm taking from user that variable and giving it to giving that value to my function withdraw. So here my function I have defined here withdraw function, and then I'm checking if if it's greater than my current value, then if insufficient balance. So my current value I have defined before giving the while loop. So its current value it's 2000. So if it's greater than that, then it will show insufficient balance, and if it's not, then it will minus with the current value will be minus with the original value, sorry, withdrawal value, and then it will echo the current value. And now the second option is for deposit. If you want to deposit if user wants to deposit money in in a bank. So he user will just give a give a balance to the system, and giving balance, and then the system will read it, read it from here. So again defining the means function name, invoking the we are invoking the function here, and giving this deposit value to the function. So deposit function is just we are adding it with current value, the deposit value, and then account means um, money is showing. But if user directly wants to inquire about current value, so for third option I'm just calling direct the balance option, sorry, calling function, invoking the function directly, giving, not passing any kind of parameter, and then it will go directly here and show my current balance. So now I'll show how it's working. uh, First, so options are coming. So if you want to withdraw, so and right now currently I have to 300 rupees, sorry, 2000 rupees. So I'm withdrawing 300. So now my current value is 700. So I have given flag for that, so that it should ask me if you want to continue or not. So I want to continue, so I press 0. And then second, if you want to deposit, I want to deposit, then how much money. So if I want to deposit 1000, so it should show 2700. It is showing 2700. And now I want to do my balance inquiry directly. So I'll give my third option. So it's showing that your current balance is 2700. So now I'll now my second experiment, it's based on library function. So here we have to uh, borrow. So here you can see the options given here. So if you want to add book, search book, or borrow, display the book written in the library system. So means like similarly what we have done before. So user defined function. So for every options we have defined. So I have defined functions over here. So for adding and searching, so first here we are using the concept of array. So here we'll store our number of books in the array, and array here in self shell programming we define like array name, and then uh, for the number of value we want to store in array, it's by dollar sign we show it inside the square bracket. So yeah, first option is adding. So our first function is if you want to enter number of book, so it will read it the number of book you want, and then it will read, and then a title, year, and author name will you will enter, and then how much amount of number of book present in the library. So that's why it will taking again the number of books. So it will show the number of book at the time present. So we'll use it for returning it. In the returning and all, we'll use this num book array. So now for searching the book, so we are searching by two things, by title and by author name. Yeah, so we are searching here, we are searching it by title. So if our title is matching with the means what we have given for the search read, with starting with whatever present in the library, so we'll give book found, and then all the information about regarding that book will be will be seen here. And then here for if you want to search by author, so it will just search by author and give the author name, and means directly what we have done here. We will the same concept apply this. Instead of title, we are using author. And now this is for uh, you want to, if you want to, means if that book is not available, and yeah, if you want to just want to borrow the book, so what it's doing here, uh, yeah, if you want to borrow the book, so it will just take the name the book, and quantity of the book require you, how much you means how many you want to borrow, and then it will just take it, it will see if it's available there, and the amount, if the num means what it's in the library, it's less greater than that, so it will show not available, and if not, so it will, else it will just minus with the means because user has already borrowed it, so it will minus the number of book it's in there in the library. So that's why we have given num book minus num, the quantity given by the user. And then here just display function just for showing the uh, all the books available and their details and all. And if you want to return it, so here if you want to return it, then name of the book, quantity means enter the quantity of the book, means that what you are returning, and if the enter of the book and title are same, so we are going to just add in the number of the book, the quantity the user given. So that was all the function. So here we are in the case, in switch case, we are just calling those function and asking if you want to continue by using the flag concept. So now I'm gonna run and show it to you how it's working. So yeah, if you want to add it, so just press 1, enter the number of book, like I'm right now I'm at want to just show one book, so enter title, something, year, author name, I'm giving Jack, number of book, again quantity 2, and you want to continue, yes. So now you want to search it, so I want to search it by title name, that's what I remember now. So so you can see all the information regarding that book, it's coming here over here. And if you want to display the number of book and all the detail, so all the details and everything are coming over here, because I have only one book, so the quantity is 2 here, what I have given here, so it's coming like this. And now if you want to return the book, I want to return the book, so it's asking book name, so book name is V, quantity 1, so number of books updated, so it's already added over there. So that was my 6th Unix and Linux lab experiment. Thank you.